Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of handmade hand embroidery borderline designs, hand embroidery borders, and very beautiful and creative video of hand embroidery borders. So before going into the further details, I would recommend you to please watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing designs. And I have one simple request that if you haven't subscribed, then please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my video and leave comments in the comment section. Now, guys, let's talk about which uh, is the best use for these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Then I would recommend you that DIY home decor designing is the best use of these very beautiful borderline embroidery patterns. Like you can use them for tablecloth, for pillow covers, for cushion covers, for designing the borders of your tablecloth, prayer mats, for designing the four corners of stroller, shawls, even sari pallus. And the most creative use of them is tablecloth embroidery, along with the towel embroidery, along with DIY home decor items as much as many as you want. So this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have already shared thousands of designs of borderline embroidery, and I try my level best to update you as soon as possible. So you can use anchor, DMC, embroidery wool, and silky threads for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. For giving 3D or 5D fluffy, velvety touch to your embroidery pattern, I would recommend you to use embroidery wool for making this whole embroidery pattern. And with this, watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing and trendy ideas, different colors ranging from dark color family tones to moving towards lighter shades of fabric base for embroidering these hemline embroidery borders. I'm sharing different stylized ideas. So do try them and share your experiences with us in the comments box. That which design you like the most and which you have tried if you try to make a pattern out of it, and what was the final outcome. So thank you so much for watching.